Χαίρετε και καλώς ήλθετε στο μέσο πολιτήριο.
I've been looking for you. I saw your message. What's happened?
A patient of mine roams the streets. He is delirious. His infection is growing worse.
There must be something we can do for him.
I tried to help the man, but the bandits took the herbs I was using to develop a cure. Now I'm worried if he continues like this, he may pass his infection on to others.
So you want me to kill him?
You read me like an oracle.
I'll help you. You have my word.
Thank you, Miss Dios.
I'll be back when everything's taken care of.
Το εχθρός της ουδέποτε κακό να πυρκάσατο. Ουκ ήτης με τις παιγνίησος της επέβαλεν πάσαν ουσία.
Όποια είναι στρατεία εξεγίναζον τους αρίστους. Απαιτώ. Ιδέτε τους πόδα σας. Άφαντες συμμότες όπλιστα του ορίου. Διαταγή τούτο. Ότι ούν επιθυμείτε ο άνδρας και γυναίκες δύναμες φέρειν ημίν. Είναι πίστε επιθυμητών και βρίσκεται. Υπέ και βρίσω.
Διαθέτουμε ζωηκτήρια και ορνήθια. Είτε πόλη τα τέκνα σου και λαβέ το τούτο.
Ότι ούν επιθυμείτε ο άνδρας και γυναίκες.
Ήψω με δάνειο να δίνω με
Κράτε τούτο καθαρό. 10 μήνες υπό τη σάφη στέγης και ομόσατε αν ουδέποτε.
Ακολουθούν επιθυμείτε ο άντρες και γυναίκες δύναμε φέρειν ημίν. Μη λυπήστε επί το επιθυμητόν
Δέσποινε και κύριοι πολίτε, έχουμε χιτώνα.
Ότι είναι εν στρατεία εξεγήμνασον τους αρίστους. Απαιτώγουν σέβας οίκιστον.
You again. Have you killed him?
Your man is dead.
The gods thank you, and so do I. Take this.
I could use someone with your skills. Would you consider joining my crew?
An opportunity to study herbs all over the Greek world. I'm in.
άντρες εποπτεύσουσι τα στενοπούς. Πρώτεραν εβδομάδα.
Stay hidden if I don't want to fight.
You got a reason to be here? That seems strange.
Έχουμε κατά μονοπόλιο λίκτους Μαρία. Ελιχθείτε με ποιημένους τρελονόμης ή εξουρίξω.
For Sparta!
Φάνηκε!
Σώσο!
Oh, no, you don't!
That's a mistake you won't make again.
There will be no glory in your passing.
Στον μηχανεύεσαι άρκη. άνοιγε. I'll drink to your death.
Μέχρι την ώρα.
Πάρσε, αυτήκα.
Τι το όλο.
Τι στον μηχανεύεσαι άρτη.
The ferryman is coming. Your time.
Τι θα σου πει στην υπόθεση?
Έχομεν κατά μονοπόλιον λίγνους παρείας και λιχνίτας πεποιημένους της πετροτόμης ή εξορίξαντο της φρικτής εκ των κατόγιων λατομείων. Έχομεν κίνας ρηλάς. Δέσποινε και κύριε πολίτε, έχομεν χιτώνας περικαλύπτοντας You're not supposed to be there! Lori!
This is the place. Time to burn some cargo.
You! Please! Help! May God smile upon you. Bless you.
You're untied. Go.
Now you die!
You fight like a Spartan. There's resolve in you.
We have that in common.
I saw innocents trapped in the flames.
The ones in the warehouse. I freed them already.
A good soldier acts when he's told. A great one is 2 steps ahead. Thank you.
My name's Cassandra. I'd thank you too, if I knew who you were.
Brasidas of Sparta. You're a newcomer to Corinth.
You're a spy too?
An old Spartan tactic. I have my ways.
I get the sense that's a Corinthian hobby. Anthusa has her Etera watching from every post.
Ah, Anthusa. We disagree, but have a common enemy.
The Monger?
We agree he should be killed, but we differ on how.
So, Sparta also has a Monger problem. What do you know about him?
His weapon has a far reach. Corinth is allied with Sparta. It's our duty to protect them.
Then working alongside Anthusa is your best bet.
If she had her way, the Mongol would be flayed in the streets. Sparta wants him dealt with quietly.
What do you want to do with him?
Right now, the Mongol rules Corinth. I want to replace him with minimal bloodshed.
Killing him and his men doesn't seem to fit your peaceful proposal.
Nothing else has been successful. Trust me.
What happened?
We arrested his top men, armed the citizens, tried to stir the police against him. It never came to be. The only thing left to try is a quick slice of the blade.
That would do it.
We'd lure him into Corinthia's sacred cave, and it'd be over.
By the time I leave Corinthia, the Monger will be dead.
Do that, and Sparta will be in your debt.
I was Spartan, once.
Once?
Until I was thrown off Mount Aietos as a child, and left for dead.
You're the daughter of General Nikolaos? All of Sparta knows your name. And here you are, alive. Impossible.
I survived. I raised myself alone, while life continued in Sparta.
Never mind being a Spartan. Those of good character will forgive and should be forgiven.
I'm on the hunt for my mother, Myrini. And the only way is through Anthusa.
Yes, Myrini.
You knew Nikolaos?
A good general, but a stubborn Spartan.
And rewarded for his loyalty.
But he disappeared, and his body was never found. The state pronounced him dead.
That's all right. I haven't seen him since I was a child. You don't know anything about Myrini, do you?
I know that no one should have to endure such tragedy alone. And I heard she left Sparta that night. No one has forgotten Myrini.
From what I know, she wanted them to forget. There's no going back now.
The displaced can always find their way home. The gods have just decided you must fight for it.
They couldn't make it any easier.
Chin up, Spartan. Easy doesn't exist.
Goodbye, Brasidas.
We'll meet again. I'm in the fight with you. Show courage.